Hello everyone, I'm Christabel Miti, project staff from Green Nature, and I'm so excited to talk to you today about World Environmental Day, which falls on June 5th. This year's theme is Accelerating Land Restoration for Drought Resilience in Zambia, and it's more important than ever that we come together to celebrate and take action for our planet. World Environmental Day is a global event that raises awareness about the importance of protecting our environment and promotes action to address environmental issues. It's a day to remind ourselves of the impact our daily choices have on the planet and to make conscious decisions to reduce our footprints. In Zambia, we're facing the challenges of drought and land degradation. And it's crucial we take action to restore our lands and build resilience. Accelerating land restoration is critical for drought resilience in Zambia. By restoring our lands, we can improve soil health, increase water retention, and enhance biodiversity. This not only mitigates the effects of drought, but also supports the livelihoods of our communities. We can all play a role in reimagining a more sustainable future and joining forces to create a positive change. So, I invite you all to join Green Nature in commemorating World Environmental Day. Let's come together to make a difference and celebrate our collective efforts towards a greener and more sustainable future. We have a range of activities planned, from tree planting to environmental awareness and community events, all focused on accelerating land restoration and building drought resilience in Zambia. Join us and be part of the movement. Let's work together to accelerate land restoration and build drought resilience and create a better future for Zambia. Happy World Environmental Day to you all.